This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 20th, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.53 points or 0.13% to 410.97. Total trade volume was up with 141,952 shares changing hands at a total value of 968 million real or over $238,600. Only one stock was up on the main board while 5 stocks were down. Pestech Cambodia was up 1.23% or 30 real to 2,460 real per share. On the downside, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port was the biggest loser of the day, down 0.73% or 100 real to 13,620 real per share, followed by the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was down 0.60% or 40 real to 6,660 real per share. Other stocks down were the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, Akleda Bank, and Grand Twins International. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, MJQ Education, and CAM GSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down 0.97% or 20 real to 2,050 real per share, while JS Land was up 1.16% or 40 real to 3,490 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 91,416 shares changing hands at a total value of 649.5 million real or $159,900, making up roughly 64% of total shares traded on September 20th. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 44,831 shares changing hands at a total value of 296.3 million real or roughly $72,980, accounting for 31% of Friday's trade volume. In other business-related news, the Cambodian Minister of Labor and Vocational Training has announced the new monthly minimum wage for the country's garment, footwear, and travel goods industry in 2025 at $208, which is up 1.96% or $4 from the current $204 wage. Workers will also receive other monthly fringe benefits, including an extra $10 per month for regular attendance and an extra $7 per month for transportation and rent. On Friday morning, the Securities and Exchange Regulator of Cambodia and the Digital Government Committee signed a memorandum of understanding on the launch of the government document verification platform verify.gov.kh, as well as on giving digital skills training for SERC officials. Verify.gov.kh is a platform based on blockchain technology and was launched by the Ministry of Post and Telecommunications and the Digital Government Committee in 2022. The platform allows for the verification of official documents as genuine, improving the speed of government processing. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened to 4,061 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index rose to 100.70. Looking at global commodities, oil prices eased on Friday but were on track to register gains for a second straight week following a large cut in US interest rates and declining global stockpiles. Brent futures were down 35 cents or 0.47% at $74.53 US. Gold prices have hit an all-time high of $2,607 per ounce, which can also be largely attributed to the U.S. Federal Reserve's recent decision to cut interest rates. Dow futures flickered near the flat line after the 30-stock average closed at a new record, bolstered by the enthusiasm over interest rate cuts. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow futures were little changed. Futures tied to the S&P 500 inched lower by 0.18%, while Nasdaq 100 futures slipped 0.26%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for September 20th. Have a great weekend.